Welcome to this walkthrough of BBForms, the WordPress plugin that lets you build and manage forms in the simplest, most flexible way possible. In this video, we'll guide you through installation, creating your first form using templates, editing and customizing fields, and finally, viewing submissions and analytics. Installation and form templates. Let's begin by installing BBForms. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for BBForms, then click Install Now and wait for the process to complete. Once installed, click Activate. After activation, you'll see BBForms added to your WordPress sidebar. Open BBForms, Forms to view your list of forms. It's empty for now. Let's create our first one. Click Add New, and you'll see a variety of ready-to-use templates. A template is simply a pre-designed form that you can build with a single click. For this demo, we'll choose the Contact Form template, the Form Editor interface. When the page refreshes, we're taken into the form editor. This is where the magic happens. The screen is divided into two areas. On the left, the form editor, and on the right, a live preview showing exactly how your form will appear on the front end. Under Fields, you can explore the different field groups available to build your form, from inputs and selections to more advanced options. Switch to BBCodes. BBCodes control the layout, alignment, and formatting of your form. You'll find sections like layout, decoration, and structure that define how elements appear. Let's go back to the Layout tab. In the editor, remove line 2 to delete the blank space between the text and email fields. Now, select both lines and click columns to display both fields side by side. The shortcode updates instantly. The preview may take a few seconds to reflect this change. Next, click Tags. Tags are used to automatically fill fields with dynamic content. For example, the text field uses the user display name, and the email field pulls the user's registered email if the user is logged in. Other tags, like the one in the checkbox field, insert your privacy policy URL automatically. Editing form fields. Now let's build our own custom form. We'll start by cleaning up. In the editor, remove the check and text area fields. Next, open Fields, Inputs, and locate the File field. Click the arrow beside it to reveal several pre-configured field examples. Each option comes with example code, like restricting upload size or file type. Select the third option, which limits uploads by file type. The code appears in the editor as shown on screen. Let's refine it. Type max equals 10 megabytes to restrict uploads to 10 megabytes. Then add a label. Label equals attachment and a short description. Desk equals only multimedia, max, 10 megabytes. Your field should now look like this. Now, let's add a simple CAPTCHA quiz for spam protection. Switch from Inputs to Options, then open the Quiz dropdown and choose Auto-Generated Math Quiz, the third option. Add an asterisk to make it required and include a label. Your form fields are now ready. Actions and Options. Switch to the Actions tab. Here you can define what happens when a user submits the form. The Contact Form template already includes a record action that stores submissions inside BBForms, Submissions. 2 email actions. One sends a notification to the admin, and another sends a confirmation email to the user. A message action that displays a confirmation message after submission. Next, open the Options tab. These settings control the form's behavior. Click the Help button to see descriptions of all available options. Among the most important, Require Login restricts the form to logged-in users. Unique Field prevents duplicate entries by ensuring a specific field value is unique, like an email address. Submissions Limit limits the number of submissions the form will accept. Each option has its own customizable message, inherited from BBForms, Settings, Messages, Final Setup and Publishing. Now, let's set internal organization details. Under Form Settings, assign a category. Let's choose Contact and add tags like guest and personal data. At the bottom, you'll find buttons for Update, Export, and View Submissions. Click Export to show that your form can be exported either as text or as a downloadable TXT file. Then click Update to save your changes. To publish the form, scroll to the top and copy the shortcode under the title. Now go to Pages, Add New, name it Contact Us, and paste the shortcode into the content area. Click Publish, then open the page in a new tab. At the front end, you'll see the form displayed exactly as designed. Notice that the name and email fields are automatically filled with your account details, thanks to the tags we used earlier. Try submitting the form. You'll see that BBForms highlights any errors and automatically focuses on the first invalid field. Now fill in the details. Then submit the form. Viewing submissions. Back in the WordPress dashboard, go to BBForms Submissions. Select your form from the drop-down, and you'll see a full list of entries. Here you can toggle columns to hide or show data, preview uploaded files, or download them directly. You can even play audio and video files in line. At the bottom, you'll find the Export to CSV button. This lets you download all submissions for analysis or backup. Hover over a submission and click Edit to see its complete details, including user information and the post where the form was submitted. You can also modify entries from here if needed. BBForms Settings Overview. Lastly, let's take a quick look at BBForms settings. In general, you can choose who can access the BBForms admin area, switch between light and dark editor themes, or disable the admin bar menu. In submissions, you can enable auto cleanup to automatically delete older entries after a set number of days. And under messages, you can customize or override any default system message. And that's how you build and manage forms using BBForms, from installation, setup, and design to real-time submissions and form management. For more documentation, advanced tutorials, or support, visit bbforms.com. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.